These aliens look pretty, especially on the new Alienware R16 desktop. Hi friends and welcome to Victor's Reality. I wanted to show you some Armored Core 6 gameplay on this awesome Alienware supercharged new form factor PC. My full review and unboxing will be coming very soon, so check out the playlist depending on when you're seeing this. Don't forget to hit that like button so more people can see it to help them make that awesome buying decision. Consider subscribing if you want more information on the R16. Here's a sneak peek of one of the bosses, so stick with me throughout this whole video as Armored Core 6 gameplay is shown with the latest and greatest desktop from Alienware. We are running here an i9 13900F, 32 gigs of DDR5, and the awesome 4070 Ti. I do have this running at 1440p max settings with the 120Hz option enabled. Now I actually forgot to toggle the Nvidia performance mode so I can capture some numbers, but don't worry, I'll be able to do that in other videos. I just wanted to try out the game on the PC, and as you can see, this game looks amazing and it is really fast on this PC. I have not seen any slowdown, any issues, and actually everything hovers around 120Hz. At 1080p at 120Hz, it never dips under 120. At 1440p, which you're seeing today, I would say 99% of the time it's at 120, with the occasional dip of 110, 115. Well, at 4K, it hovers around 90 to 120. Again, with max settings. But you can see here, there is no slowdown, there is no issue. One thing I will note is the fans are amazing. I can't wait to see what Gamer Nexus says about this PC because they have dogged down the previous desktops, the R13, the R15. So I can't wait to see what they say with this R16. But from what I can see, the R15 now to the R16, we are getting a slimmer body, a way quieter design. It is really noticeable. Here with this gameplay, I barely hear the PC, but in a quiet room, there is no issue whatsoever, especially with this game. I'm not sure if it's that optimized for the PC, as I think it's really made for consoles. But it's really cool to see 120Hz versus the standard 60 on the PS5 or Xbox Series X. I actually like this mech because I can glide over things, and with this build I haven't had any issues so far with the game. Leave a comment down below if you guys are enjoying this awesome game, or if you've had some trouble playing it. You just need to give it some time, and I'm sure you'll be able to get into it. Just like Elden Ring, you just have to understand mechanics. Take your time with it, and you should have no issues. Also leave a comment down below, friends, if you like these types of videos. I just wanted to showcase the PC with this awesome game. Now, of course, again, I would have put the benchmarking numbers up there, but I forgot to toggle it on. I won't do that mistake next time. But as when you get a new PC, you set up everything, download everything, making sure you have all your apps. But for whatever reason, I forgot to toggle that benchmark performance setting. I really think that with these pre-builds, it's ease of use, it's plug and play, you don't have the headache of getting all your parts, downloading Windows, all that stuff. If you just want something to work, and the customer service from Alienware, friends, is amazing. I'll tell you more on my review video, but I got a lot of discounts, an awesome price on this R16 versus the R15. Originally, I was going to get the R15. It came with a 3080, a 12700F, 16 gigs of RAM, and basically for about $200 to $300 more, with some wheeling and dealing of the discount, you know what I'm saying? I was able to get this at a really good price, so you gotta look out for those coupons. And of course, talk to the Dell rep, and I'm so glad I got this R16. I just really like the form factor. It's not that heavy, it's not bulky, you can really put it anywhere on your desk. So if you want to get this for a family member or for school, you know, back to school and all that, or you just want a great gaming PC. Now I'm sure a 4080 would have cost more, but I'm happy for the price I got this. Plus with frame generation on the 4070 Ti, I'm more than happy. I really think this is one of the best 1440p computers out there. As with 4K, you do need a 4080 or 4090, but I prefer to play 1440p and get those frames. You know what I'm talking about. Hey, at least we have 120 FPS here, not like the consoles that are stuck at 60. I mean, look at the explosion, the lighting effects, the gunfire, everything looks awesome. No blue screens, black screens. You can see for yourself, everything is running super smooth. Right here, we're going to fight a boss. Right here, you're going to see all the crazy explosions as you saw at the beginning of the video when I fight the boss here. And throughout the whole battle, there were no dips. So this is holding a steady 120. See the description below so you can get an idea of the full specs of this computer running Armored Core 6. I really want to showcase this on my QD-OLED ultra-wide monitor, as this supports ultra-wide. So it'd be really cool to see how much wider field of view we get with these mechs. Now we're all used to 16:9, but at 21:9, I think it would help this game a lot because there's a lot of information, a lot of enemies to the left and right. So it'd be really interesting to see the performance and to see how it really looks. But I will start ramping up gameplay on that ultra-wide Heaven Gaming channel. You can check that out on my channel's page, as I want to put up a lot of content, as I know when people get these 21:9 or 32:9 monitors, You guys want to see content on it. And just like with these 16:9 games, I don't even know really where to put it. I don't really want to put it on that channel. But for this channel, I really want to stick to benchmarking. And a bit of Let's Play, so we'll see how we do that going forward. Here we go, guys. It's hammer time. Here's one of these awesome bosses that looks so cool. Look at all the graphics, look at the explosions, and everything here at 1440p max settings is running at 120Hz. And this is not even running with any DLSS. Imagine if 3 with frame generation was available. We'd be getting a lot better frames. But it looks beautiful. This is one of the best and one of the easiest plug-and-play PCs I have ever bought. The Alienware R16 new for 2023. Leave a comment down below if you want to see certain games on it. I will be trying ultra-wide and super ultra-wide among 16:9 games just like this, with all my Alienware monitors as you've seen at the beginning of the video. QD-OLED, IPS, especially the AW2723DF, 280Hz monitor. We'll be showcasing that with this awesome PC very soon. And among the QD-OLED, the AW3423TW. So again, look out for that unboxing review video. I'll be showcasing many games with this PC to help you make that awesome buying decision. Thanks for watching, friends. Stay safe out there. I'll see you guys next time.
Tourist. It's been miserable knowing you, but I guess playing nice is a smart choice here. You want to go up top, right? Let me show you the way. Guided tour from Cinder Carla herself.